Welcome everyone. Have you ever pasted something into a photo and it just looked fake? Like the colors don't match, the lighting feels off, and no matter what you do, it just doesn't blend right? In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to fix that using the Harmonize tool. This tool can automatically match color and lighting, add shadows, and even reflections if needed. Whatever it takes to make things look realistic. So with that, let's get started. So before we start clicking things, let's quickly go over what this tool actually does. The Harmonize tool is designed to take an object like a person, a car, or anything you've cut out and automatically adjust its color, brightness, and tone so that it matches the new background that you've placed it on. So instead of you having to manually adjust color balance, brightness, shadows, saturation, and anything else, Photoshop will actually do most of that work for you. As you can see here, I've got a countertop, and what I like to do is place an orange on the countertop. So I'll go to the orange image I have open already. I'll select it all by using Control or Command A, and then I'll copy it using Command or Control C. And then we'll go back to our original image and just paste it using Command or Control V. Once you have this in here, what we need to do is remove the background. An easy way to do this is by using the contextual taskbar. If you don't have it open, all you have to do is go to the canvas, control or right click on the canvas and hit show contextual taskbar. And it will open up wherever your bar is located. You can also open it by going up to window, down to contextual taskbar. Before doing anything, you want to make this a smart object just as a good habit. We always want to work non-destructively if possible. Name it orange. Now we need to remove the background. We can simply click remove background in the contextual taskbar. Once the background is removed, you want to resize and position it how you want. And right away you can see the problem. The colors don't match, the lighting feels different, it just looks pasted in, which is exactly what we did. In the past, to make this blend in, we would have to do this manually by adding adjustment layers combined with other methods to get that realistic look. And that's where the Harmonize tool comes in. With the subject layer selected, simply click on the Harmonize button in the contextual taskbar, or you can go to Layer down to Harmonize, and you can do it that way. Once you click that button, Photoshop will analyze your image. What it's doing is comparing your subject to the background and automatically adjusting things like color, temperature, lighting, contrast, and overall tone. Just give it a second, and just like that, you'll see a huge difference. The Harmonize tool also gives you 3 options that you can flip through in the taskbar. I like number 2. They're also up in the palette above the layers palette. You can select each one here. I like number 2, which is fine. But if you don't like any of these, you can click the generate button in the properties palette, or you can go back to the taskbar and click generate, and it will generate 3 more options for you. And if you like this, then you're done. You could just leave it like this. So now that this is done, you can turn this on and off to see the difference. You can see the shadows added, the color adjustments, all that stuff to blend it in, and it looks amazing. And if you're happy with this, you can leave it just like this, or you can use this as a starting point, and then you can make more fine-tuned adjustments to it if you'd like. For example, if you thought there should be a little bit more light on the top of the orange, you can drag this layer that was generated by the Harmonize tool to a folder and create a group, and then you can add a mask to it, and by switching to your brush by pressing B on the keyboard and painting with the black, you could actually paint away some of this to reveal the orange as it was before, and then you could feather that so that it blends a little bit more evenly. And you can turn the layer mask on and off so you can see the difference by holding the shift key and clicking it. So it's dark there, and then it gets a little bit brighter because of the mask we made. It's revealing underneath it to the original orange that we had. For our next example, we'll go to a building image and we will add a woman who was taken in a very, very different atmosphere just to see how it works. So we'll do the same thing. We'll select all and then we'll copy it and go over to the building image and paste it. And then again, the first thing we do is make a smart object and name it. And then remove the background by pressing Remove Background in the contextual taskbar. Once that's done, you want to resize or reposition it however you want, and then make sure your layer is selected and click on the Harmonize button. There you go. Select the one you want from the options available. I like number 2 again, or you can run it again for more options. The Harmonize tool makes a transition like this so much easier by getting you where you want to go or getting you a lot closer to where you want to go. It saves so much time. And then finally, one more example. We'll go to an empty room and add a chair in the corner. We'll select the image, copy it, go to the room, paste it, convert to smart object. These are all important things to get in the habit of doing. Make sure the layer is selected, click Remove Background, then position and resize if necessary into your scene. Once that's done, click the Harmonize button in the taskbar. And there you go. Here are your 3 options. I think this time I like number 3, but you can pick which one you like when you do it. Again, if you don't like any of the options, press Generate again in the Properties palette or in the contextual taskbar. So as you can see, the results are amazing and they're so fast. And there you go. It's such a great tool, incredible results, and it's so fast. So that's how you use the Harmonize tool. If you've ever struggled to make your edits look realistic, this is one of the easiest ways to fix that fast. It's perfect for removing that fake pasted look and creating realistic composites. I hope that helped, and I'll see you next time.